So hey students, today we are going to do some MCQs from ecosystem and it will be whole NCERT example or MCQs. Okay, so let's get start. 1 minute. Decomposers like fungi and bacteria are autotrophs, heterotrophs, saprophytes or chemoautotrophs. Choose the correct answer. So our answer goes to C, that is 2 and 4. Heterotrophs and saprophytes. Decomposers like fungi are heterotrophs and saprophytes. The process of mineralization by microorganisms helps in release of inorganic nutrients from humus, both organic and inorganic nutrients from detritus, organic nutrients from humus, inorganic nutrients from detritus and formation of humus. So our answer is inorganic nutrients from humus. The productivity is the rate of production of biomass expressed in terms of what it is, kilocal per meter cube per year or gram per gram square per year or per gram per year or kilocal per meter square per year. So our answer goes to 2 and 4, that is gram per gram square per year and kilocal per meter square per year. An inverted pyramid of biomass can be found in which ecosystem? Forest, marine, grassland, tundra. So our answer is marine ecosystem is having inverted pyramid of biomass. Because when you can see like planktons are more than that of the zooplanktons, and the zooplankton 1 minute, planktons are less than that of the zooplanktons, and the fishes are more than that of the zooplanktons. So it is an inverted pyramid. Okay. Which of the following is not a producer? Spirogyra, agaricus, volvox or nostoc. So our answer goes to agaricus, which is a fungus. Which of the following ecosystem is the most productive in terms of net primary production? Deserts, tropical rainforest, oceans, estuaries. So our answer is tropical rainforest are the most productive. Pyramid of pyramid of numbers is always upright, always inverted, either upright or inverted, neither upright nor inverted. So our answer is either upright or inverted. Approximately how much of the solar energy that falls on the leaves of a plant is converted to chemical energy by photosynthesis? So our answer is 2 to 10%, and it is very important question. 2 to 10%. Among the following, where do you think the process of decomposition would be fastest? Tropical rainforest, Antarctica, dry arid region or alpine region? So our answer is tropical rainforest. How much of the net primary productivity of a terrestrial ecosystem is eaten and digested by herbivores? 1%, 10%, 40% or 90%? So the answer is 10%. 10% law of Lindman. During the process of ecological succession, the changes that takes place in communities are orderly and sequential, random, very quick, not influenced by the physical environment. So our answer is orderly and sequential. Climax community in a state is non-equilibrium, equilibrium, disorder or constant change. So it is in equilibrium. Climax community reaches the equilibrium position. Among the following biogeochemical cycles, which one does not have losses due to respiration? Phosphorus, nitrogen, sulfur or all of the above? So our answer is all of the above. The sequence of communities of primary succession in water is, our answer would be D, that is phytoplanktons, then rooted, submerged hydrophytes, floating hydrophytes, red swamp, seeds, meadows, and trees. You can learn it by RMS. That is reed swamp, marsh meadows, and then comes the shrubs, etc. RMS. You can learn it by this RMS. The reservoir for the gaseous type of biogeochemical cycles exist in stratosphere, atmosphere, ionosphere, and lithosphere. So our answer is atmosphere. If if the carbon atom fixed by the producers already have passed through three species, the tropic level of the last species would be scavenger, tertiary producer, tertiary consumer, secondary consumer. So our answer goes to tertiary consumer. How? If the carbon atom fixed by the producers already have passed through three species, that is 1, 2, 3, the tropic level of the last species, that is X, is tertiary consumer. How? This is producer, then it is primary consumer, then it is secondary consumer, and this is tertiary consumer. Okay. Which of the following types of ecosystem is expected to in an area where evaporation exceeds precipitation and mean annual rainfall is below 100 mm? Grasslands, shrubby forests, deserts, mangroves. So our answer goes to deserts like Rajasthan, Sahara Desert, etc. The zone of the edge of a lake or oceans which is alternatively exposed to air and immersed in water is called pelagic zone, benthic zone, lentic zone, and littoral zone. So our answer goes to littoral zone. The zone at the edge of the lake, like this is an lake, then the trees or the shrubs which are growing here, which is alternatively exposed to air and immersed in water, and it is also immersed in water. So it is called littoral zone. Edaphic factors refers to water, soil, relative humidity or altitude. So our answer is soil. Edaphic edaphic is soil. Which of the following is an ecosystem service provided by natural ecosystem? Cycling of nutrients, prevention of soil erosion, pollutants absorption, and reduction of the threat of global warming, or all of the above. So our answer is all of the above. That is cycling of nutrients, prevention of the soil erosion, pollution absorption, and reduction of the threat of global warming. All the best for your exams.